Let's understand the difference between CNC machines and conventional machines. Let's learn the difference between CNC machines and conventional machines on the basis of operation involved. Operation. A CNC machine is operated by a computer. The operation performed in CNC machine is automated. No manual intervention is required during the machining of a workpiece. Conventional machine is operated by the operator. Now, let's learn the difference between CNC machines and conventional machines on the basis of tool selection. Tools. In CNC machine, tools are changed automatically. But in conventional machine, tools are changed manually. Note: the time taken to change the tool manually increases the total time of operations performed on a workpiece. Let's learn the difference between CNC machines and conventional machines on the basis of their accuracy. Accuracy. The workpiece produced on CNC machine has good dimensional accuracy, since the dimensions are controlled by the machine. The dimensional correctness of the workpieces produced in a conventional machine might not be very accurate, since it depends on the operator skills.